You in? Oh,
Okay,
water,
we started.
man. See, we haven't heard that before.
Okay, so what are you trying to do there, Michael?
What? Mate, we've got a... What do we got? We got a vacuum hose?
We've got a vacuum hose attached to a leaf blower with a large amount of masking tape. It's going to be used to try unclog a severely clogged drain by forced blowing.
It's a thing. It's a temp.
What did you say earlier? You used terminology for it.
What, man?
He said like, whatever you said anyway.
Alright, it's terrifying. So turn...
I've not heard that before. What a good sound.
Yeah, possibly.
Are we ready?
Try it out, try it out. They didn't do anything. They do it.
What are you expecting to hear? We're not going to hear anything.
Yeah, but stuff to come back up or something to get like...
Nothing came back up.
But the pipes are empty, aren't they?
No, but air should have been going down and coming back up. You can stop filming.
Okay.